Yeah, family. So I ordered a cake from Cake City, and it's delivered right at the hospital. As you know, guys, today is my Earth Day, my son Earth Day, and my Jamaican sister Earth Day. How awesome is that, family? So I buy a cake, and this cake is what we're gonna use to celebrate this new life. Okay, so this is it. Can I put it in this? Can it hold? Side. So that's the cake, family, from Cake City. It's actually a fruit cake. Yeah, family, it's actually a fruit cake.
Can I show you?
Hmm?
Can I show you?
It's a fruit cake. Show it to me. It's a fruit cake. Should be a fruit cake. Don't want to mix up. Okay.
It's okay.
Okay, happy birthday, Ramesh, Jamesh, and Avagi. Alright, nice. Alright, family. So that's the cake. And I'm actually outside the hospital. And this is what it looks like in Nairobi, Kenya. Alright, my brother. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, perfect. Huh? For delivery? Oh, they never tell me anything about delivery. They said delivery is free. Yeah, family. So as you know, it's my Earth Day, my birthday. So I mean, it's a pleasure. I'm so excited and actually lucky because I mean, people don't get a chance to actually share birthday with the siblings, with your child, what I mean. So I am really like, what I mean, rarely you find a situation like that. So, what I mean, I'm excited. I bought a cake, and what, to top it off more is that our Jamaican sister, we share the same birthday. Jamesh come on the same day. So it's like super, super, what I mean. For me, as you know, guys, I'm very, when it come on to like, spiritual things and things happen, I have to ask myself why, what I mean, and I always look for something special in that moment, or it's something special. So for me, it's always about something, what I mean, that maybe the future we don't know, but it's always for me, it's always something that I can really, what I mean, look at, say it's special, and I'm looking for things to happen in a special way, and that's the reason why I'm actually, what I mean, so grateful and thankful because when you look at things and things happen like this, it's not something that you plan. It's not something that you actually, what I mean, it's just something that happened like that, and you have to thank the universe and stuff for that situation, family, because not too many people in this world get to share a situation like this. So our Jamaican sister brought some soup from Miss Jam Tours. She made some soup and she brought it for her. And you guys know it's the Jamaican style soup. And Jamesh is right there, so you have to taste it to see how it tastes. The Jamaican flavor, you don't get the Jamaican flavor here in Kenya. So once a Jamaican cook food for you, you really want to taste it because when I mean the flavoring and stuff, you're gonna love it. So that just bring back the home vibes. I know you feel like you're in Jamaica by just tasting the food. You feel like you're in Jamaica. So I had to sample the soup from Miss Jam Tours. I actually in there, and it was nice, family. It was a good soup. I should really enjoy it, and she leave a little for me, and me enjoy it too. Yeah, family. So Jamaican sister holding Jamesh right there. It's a pleasure to be holding, a baby that actually born on your actually birthday. You know what I mean? So, it's just a pleasure, family. So, really, actually, universe has been setting up something for this family, and I know it's a special thing, and it's just we know to take the race to the final finishing line, grow up these kids the right way. You know what I mean? That the universe want them to be growing up, for them to turn out someday change the world, family, and that's just always on my mind. when I'm creating my family, I'm always creating something that's gonna come and make change. You know what I mean? They're gonna come and be somebody in society and somebody to the people. You know what I mean? That's just my, that's just what goes on in my head when I think about growing my kids and stuff. Is that they're gonna come and rule, and it's just like that family. You can see Jamish's grandmother is there and stuff. Miss Jamto was bringing up the chair, and she can drink her soup. But family, I want you to actually, if you're a diaspora, you're an international person, I want you to comment below and actually rate this hospital. Let us know your thoughts. What you think about this hospital? Is it a good hospital? Would you come? Would you actually, recommend this hospital? Because guys, when you come to foreign country, you don't know. So that's the reason why Jam Tours is here, to show you that. The same way you live in the West, you can come to Africa and live the same way, and even better family. And so this is what giving birth like in Kenya. That's the Aga Khan Hospital in Nairobi. This is the Aga Khan Hospital. So if you don't know, you know. It's a hospital that I highly recommend. The nurses there was surprised to see Miss Jam Tours back again. It was like she just left the other day with Amish and she back again, family. So it was like they were surprised to see. So as you can see, family, I'm actually getting Miss Jam Tours ready for the soup. The nurse come check on you every minute, every second, every hour. Yeah, Miss Jam Tours. The nurse come and check, make sure everything is alright. And Miss Jam Tours, enjoying our soup. Yeah, so that's it, family. So as you can see now, I'm about to cut the cake. I'm excited to cut the cake, family. So, let's cut the cake. Let's cut the cake. Let's cut the cake so our Jamaican sister can eat cake. I think this is like the first time ever, family. It's my birthday I ever like celebrate. I'm not really like a celebration guy. But I guess now because of Jamesh now I'll have to celebrate, family. Now I have a reason to celebrate. So our first time I'm cutting this fruit cake. It's a very nice cake. Big up the Cake City. Big up the Cake City, the real city. Yes, family. So I'm about to cut the cake inside the hospital. I think the first time I ever get a cake for myself, family. So this is a special. And Jamesh's birthday is the first time I ever actually get a chance to cut a cake. That's me, guys, cutting the cake right there on Jamesh's birthday, my birthday, or Jamaican sister birthday. That was a special, and I hope forevermore we'll have special day like this to come. Growing up Jamesh, going forward, it's another, I would say maybe 20 years of work that you gotta be putting in. 20 years of work as a parent, you gotta be putting in, family. So, I just try to get them as close as possible. So I know when I finish that 20 years, everybody can be, be doing what they're doing. And I can maybe just enjoy and relax and enjoy life. Because that's 20 years. That's a long time, family. From where. But we wish and hope that the universe grants us a lot of love, prosperity in this journey. As you know, it's hard growing up a family. And doing the right thing. I want them to be growing up the right way. With all of these noise in the world right now. All of these, other, devices and and everything that is on the internet right now is kind of hard. So we hope we'll actually grow them the right way, and we'll bend the tree from it young, and so when it gets old, it will grow apart, family. And that's the philosophy, and that's what we want to do. That was what we do, family. So cutting this cake for the first time on Jamesh's birthday is such a blessing. It's such an honor, and I'm looking forward for the other birthdays to come. We'll be celebrating, and that's me, guys, eating the cake, tasting the cake. The fruit cake is very nice, a lot of icing on top, which I don't really fancy. But I must tell you that the inside has a lot of fruits, a lot of nuts, and it's very nice. So I highly recommend for you guys to check out Cake City if you're actually planning your Earth Day. Cake City is the city, family, for all cakes of all cake. No, family. So I hope, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing us doing this, just to showing you that you know what I mean, our hospital life is, you know, and for me it's like a hotel. I really enjoyed, you know, Miss Jamto's getting the food, you know, the privacy there. As you can see, when a visitor come, it's not so open, you know what I mean. You know, as you know, coming from Jamaica, where, you know, we normally go to St. Anne's Bay Hospital to give birth, everybody's in one room. I was able to stay overnight with Miss Jam Tours and see everything carry out through the process, holding her. You know what I mean? Actually be there when the baby come out and everything. So yeah, it's just a blessing when you can actually, you know what I mean, you know, get so connected with life, with your life, you know what I mean, in most countries, you know what I mean, for you to get a service like this, you'd have to pay hundreds of thousands of dollars, family. And to be honest with you, it's very reasonable, you know what I mean, to get it. This is like the lowest package, you know what I mean. So this is the lowest package, family, and it's less than maybe 800 US thereabouts. So you know what I mean. So you know it's very affordable if you're a foreigner coming in, you know what I mean. So you know what I mean, and it's just normal. And what I like with this hospital, they actually you know, protest and initiate natural birth first. They don't actually jump and tell you, oh, you have to do the cesarean and cut and all kind of these things. Then actually give you the first chance to push. As a woman, you must push. You know what I mean? That's the time a woman actually, you know, mentality change when you get a chance to push. If you're a woman and you push, your mentality will change towards life and everything, because that is just like that's giving birth is the way of turning a woman into woman, into womanhood. Everything changed. Notice this person that you see do a lot of CS and stuff, their mental is different because they don't pass through that motherhood thing that is created by the universe, that is natural. They don't actually pass through that pain. Most of the time they end up having a love for that child because they never pass through that pain. So, you know, we have to just go through the process, and we're happy that everything was safe and sound. Baby Jamosh came out safe. And we ask the universe to give us, you know, an even better experience for the others to come as we go forward, family. So like, share, and comment on this video, family. I'm Kevru from Jam Tours Africa. I hope you enjoy this. One love, Bless, Jamaica, Jamesh, Amesh, and who's next to come.